Hey there, quick review on this Gorilla Grip extra absorbent doormat. This can be used indoor or outdoor. Let's open it up here. I've purchased a number of different doormats and I've found with all of them, they come in a roll. So you do just kind of have to lay them down flat and they'll flatten out on their own after a couple days. This one does have a complete rubber backing on the back side here, and it is very grippy. There are little bumpers sticking out all over the place that will help keep it from slipping around on the flooring surface or your deck, concrete, etc. One of the important things on a doormat is to have some depth to it so that whenever you wipe your feet off, any of the debris falls down inside these cracks and it doesn't stay on your shoes. That way you don't drag it inside. This has got a nice design. It looks nice, nice pattern. It's appealing to the eye on the outside. Material, very durable feeling. It's gonna get your shoes clean and everything wiped off. The reason I went with this gray material is I felt that it was going to hide sawdust. I'm a carpenter. I drag a lot of sawdust around with me. Felt like this color would hide that pretty well. Overall, this is a nice product. I think it's going to work really well. It's rated to be extra absorbent, so it's going to be ideal for situations where you're dragging in ice or snow on your shoes as well. It's going to absorb that moisture, and then the rubber backing on the backside is not going to allow it to weep through onto your flooring. So nice product. Gorilla Grip is a great brand name. Very high reviews all across Amazon on all their products. So I'd recommend this doormat if you're looking for one.